guys, welcome back to my channel, myself Tanvi, and today's video is going to be like a heart to heart talk. तो मेरे को एक सजेशन आया था कि प्लीज मेक इंस्पायरिंग वीडियोस और समथिंग इंस्पिरेशनल. सोचा आई जस्ट मे बी शेयर अबाउट हाउ माई लाइफ हैज़ बीन थ्रू आउट द लॉकडाउन एंड मैंने क्या क्या किया. एंड मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली जो सब ऑलमोस्ट सभी को जानना होगा कि मैंने यूट्यूब क्यों कैसे चालू किया. तो आई be talking about all that in this video. So let's just get started. Okay, starting from 2019. 2019 was not a good year for me because many things happened, and so friends and I were like 2020 would be the best year, and unfortunately corona happened and lockdown and all. So I had last met my friends on 18th March. Like before that, like 21 days का lockdown मतलब announce हुआ था, and I was just basically working out with my sister and I was like, what, 21 days, what will I do, like कैसे मैनेज होगा ये वो. तो वो 21 डेज मैंने सोचा कि हाँ 21 के बाद सब नॉर्मल हो जाएगा एंड आई गेट टू मीट माई फ्रेंड्स. बस 21 डेज का बात है बट स्टिल 21 डेज वर अ लॉट तब भी के लिए. तो फिर मैंने वो 21 डेज में लाइक मोटिवेट होके वर्कआउट एंड ऑल स्टार्ट किया था. उसके बाद द लॉकडाउन was continued for one more month and that demotivated me so much. Like I guess everyone could relate to me. लॉकडाउन से पहले मैंने नवंबर में समथिंग मैंने और मेरे फ्रेंड ने फूड पेज खोला था इंस्टा पे. So it was like going so well and we used to get collabs and all, and it was basically like food blogging. तो we used to do that and लॉकडाउन में फिर मैं रोज ऐसे नए नए डिशेस बना के हम लोग फोटोज अपलोड करते थे इंस्टा पे एंड ऑल. फिर उसके बाद लाइक एवरीवन एल्स आउट देयर even I started watching movies, series and all. Series में I used to watch like thriller, suspense, crime basically. So my friends suggested me that I should go for some sitcom types. So मैंने Friends देखना चालू किया उनके बोलने पे, and I wasn't like really interested to watch it at first, but then I started loving it like so much that whenever I used to feel low or something like that, I just used to watch an episode and then it used to lift my mood up. I don't know, but yeah, it again started getting a bit boring and I used to like feel very low at times, or like I'm not doing anything, I should do something. Like I used to feel I'm being really unproductive. So my friend just like randomly suggested me, why don't you open a YouTube channel? I was like, what? No, I can't do that. I'm not used to talking to like a lot of people or not great at interacting or something. But seriously, I can't do that. But then before, when I used to go out with my friends, we used to like make vlogs of whichever place we used to visit. हम लोग ऐसे vlogs बनाते थे, मतलब not to upload anywhere or something, but just to keep it for memories. And तभी मेरे को क्लिक हुआ that I had a thing like मेरे को पसंद था ऐसे बात करना कैमरा के सामने, but I used to be not fluent. That was just for fun and those are not even the vlogs that I could show you guys or like just put it over YouTube so that you could see, because वो बहुत ज़्यादा embarrassing और cringy होगा. So yeah, that's that. तो मैंने सोचा maybe help me develop my communication skills. Speaking would improve, interacting may help hoga, but I never thought that I'll share it as a social media pe or just inform anyone. I'm just gonna keep it private so that only I could see that. But yeah, then मैंने मेरी बहन को बताया ये बात एंड बोला हम लोग ऐसे ट्रेलर जैसे बना था. आई वोंट स्पीक एट फर्स्ट. तो मैंने ट्रेलर बना, मैंने अपलोड करने के बाद आज तक नहीं देखा होगा वो वापस. लाइक प्लीज डोंट वॉच इट गाइज. तो उसके बाद मैंने ऐसे ही ट्राई किया. आई वेंट फॉर मेकिंग इंट्रो वीडियो एंड व्हाइल आई वाज एडिटिंग दैट वीडियो शाम को, मतलब मैंने दोपहर को शूट किया था. तो माई मॉम जस्ट केम एंड सैट बिसाइड मी एंड शी सॉ दैट एंड शी वाज लाइक, वाओ यू लुक सो कॉन्फिडेंट एंड यू आर स्पीकिंग रियली गुड. आई वाज लाइक, and then daddy saw that and he was also like, yeah, it's really good. So I just thought maybe I'll just post it and upload it. जाने दो, जो होता है बाद में देखा जाएगा. तो मैंने upload कर दिया next day and I shared it to a few of my cousins and they were also like, you look so confident in front of the camera. Not to brag or anything, but yeah, I was like, what, seriously? तो या फिर वैसे फिर मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा हिम्मत करके, लाइक बहुत ज़्यादा, मैंने अपने इंस्टाग्राम की स्टोरी पे डाला एंड आई वाज लाइक सो नर्वस कि people have never seen me like that talking this much or in front of the camera usually, and that's not something anyone would expect of me. So मैंने डाल दिया and I was like, but I started getting positive response, and like many told me that you could do it, and so I just started going with the flow, making videos. मैंने मेरा ये intention नहीं था कि मेरे को YouTuber बनना है या ऐसा कुछ. Just that I wanted to learn, grow myself, and I started loving the process so much. Like it started to keep me engaged, busy throughout the day. Like कुछ ना कुछ करते रहती थी. Was something productive for me because it started helping me to, you know, communicate well and interact well, maybe just with the screen, but yeah, still अभी I see and compare my first वीडियो में मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल ये था, अभी जस्ट ये होगा मे बी. मतलब थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस मुझे पर्सनली दिखाई देता है. आई डोंट नो अबाउट यू गाइज. तो या दैट्स रियली हेल्पिंग मी. So that's how my YouTube journey started. I got a lot of support and love from you guys as well. At the same time, there were haters as well, because that's again a part and parcel of life. My videos started getting spammed by dislikes. Like एक साथ ऐसे 10-11 dislikes एक साथ आते थे, and that used to bother me so much at start. मतलब at the initial stage, I was like, am I not doing good? Is there something wrong? Or I used to question myself. But and I talked about that thing to my mom, and she was like, that's just a part. You have to go through it. There will always be people there to, you know, dislike you because you're doing good or better than them. That thing motivated me so much that अभी मेरे को उस चीज़ का बिल्कुल फर्क नहीं पड़ता. Like I'm not doing anything wrong, even though I'm not that perfect yet. I'm still in the learning process. I'm still a beginner. There's a long way to go. I don't know honestly where is this going, but yeah, what I know is that I'm just over all of that hate, comments and dislikes, whatever. I'm just happy that you guys are taking out the time to watch my videos and taking those efforts to actually like and dislike the video. Both are equally overwhelming. We are gonna complete like 500 subscribers soon. It's gonna be 3 months on YouTube, and I don't know. I was honestly at the start not even expecting like 100 subscribers, but most unexpected thing for me was that my mom, dad were so supportive regarding YouTube, and whenever I upload any video, I'm just like, okay, I'm done. And my mom, dad start seeing it like मेरे सामने ही, तो मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसे anxious feel होता है. And they're like, while watching the video, there's a smile on that face, like at least they are proud of me or something. तो बाकी कुछ matter नहीं करता honestly. So that's the best thing ever, like ever. मैंने इंस्टा पे स्टोरी भी डाला था about people suggesting me videos, not because I was running out of video ideas, but I wanted to know what people actually wanted to see. And I got like so many suggestions. To be honest, I was not even expecting like one, and that was again so overwhelming and made me feel so good कि हाँ, people are actually watching my videos, देख रहे हैं. I know I haven't replied to anyone personally about that because I didn't know how to express. So I thought maybe I'll just let you know that none of your suggestions have been ignored, and I promise I'll try my best to make a video on each one of them. I tried to include all that happened. Still, I might have missed out on a few of it. And lastly, there have been tough days. There have been days like when I wasn't well, my parents were not keeping well, and all that stuff. So there were ups and downs. I just shared this with you all because I just wanted to let you know about this, mainly the YouTube part. So I thought maybe I'll just share everything that has been going on. I just hope everything gets fine as soon as possible. I'm just dying to meet my friends like so bad. So yeah, that's how my life has been lately this lockdown. And yeah, just keep supporting as always, and I'm so grateful. Take care and stay safe. Lots of love to you all, and bye.